Hey everyone, welcome back to Tammy Lee TV. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a high-protein turkey salad. This is recipe number 15 in my Easy Eats for Endurance Athletes series. So let's get on with it. What do you need? 10 ounces of cooked turkey breast chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 red onion diced, a half a cup of dried cranberries, unsweetened or sweetened, a half a cup of roasted almonds chopped, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper. This meal is not just high protein, but also low carb and gluten-free. Estimated nutrition per serving, you're looking at about 350 calories, 20 grams of fat, 17 grams of carbs, 26 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fiber. When to eat it? Definitely not before you work out. You will not have a good time. You may end up puking. But it does make a great meal or side dish after a good workout. You can also have it in a wrap or a sandwich if you want to make it like a really big meal. And also, if you want to use it as a side dish, I suggest cutting the serving in half. If you're trying to lose weight, just have it as its own, like no extras. And it's very high in protein and very high in fat too. It's 20 grams of fat in one serving. So that will help keep you feeling full for a long time. All right, let's get on with the recipe. Make sure you put your dancing shoes on.